So you can take off your bag so that you feel comfortable. Yeah. Okay. So today is Saturday. What do we do? Tables. So let's see how much we have memorized. Do you remember how much you have been able to go to? 3? Are you good with 3? Okay. So let's start with Adhit then. So 3 9 there. 27. 3 5 there. 2 8 there. 3 7 there. 21. 3 7 there, 21. Okay. So I see that you are memorizing table and you are right with the answers also. Okay. One mistake is fine. But now I would want you to bring that speed. Mean 3 minutes, 3 3 2 6 3 9. You have to spend 2-3 minutes every day. Okay. Just try doing that. And then once you do that, you have to go to your dad, mom, anybody in the family. Say, okay, fine, I've memorized table till 3. Ask me some questions. Let's see if I'm going wrong. And if they ask you something, if you're taking time or if you're going wrong, you'll go back and say, okay, why did I go wrong here? Let me do it. So do it like a sport, right? Like when you go for a race, you all saw Olympics, right? When people were running, do you think that they were running this fast from day one? No. They would have started slow. Then they practiced, then they did exercise, they started eating a lot of healthy food, right? Started going to gym. They did a lot of stuff to be able to run that fast. So what we are doing here is also like a sport. We are here. We want to get faster, we want to get better. So it's like a sport. Don't think of study like a stressful thing, no. Study, why am I able to teach you guys? Because I've learned something. When I learn, now I take pride in sharing with you guys that, okay, see, I know all these things, I can teach you. Right? When you guys grow up, you will teach somebody. If you have a younger sibling, you'll say, okay, fine, I'll teach you tables. Right? So when you learn something, you will take pride in that and then you will teach somebody. So don't do it like a stressful act. It's a fun thing. When you're learning something, you feel proud. Oh, I learned something today. Yeah? When you learn, share with somebody. And that is when you will enjoy. Alright? Okay, I think Yug is here. Yeah? You see somebody? Alright. 1 1 11. Okay. So, yeah, coming back to, so make sure take practice every day. Okay? 2 minutes only 2 minutes. No. Yug, take a chair.
The time is 5, right?
5.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's okay, you don't need. Just pay attention to what I'm teaching, okay? Alright, so are you getting some cold air from there? Are you getting some cold air? Are you getting some cold air from there?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Alright, so that was for the head. Let's go to Salini. Ready?
Sure.
Table till
11.
11. 11 8 jar.
88.
7 9 jar.
63.
8 8 jar.
64.
7 8 jar.
56.
9 9 jar.
81.
Okay, this is for you. Alright, let's go to Tasvi. Table till 12. Okay. 12 5 jar. 6 9 jar. 7 8 jar. 9 9 jar. 8 9 ja. 12 7 ja. Not 84? 84. You have to be confident. Even if you make a mistake, that's fine. Yeah? Alright. 11 9 ja. 7 6 ja. Good job. So this is for you. Alright. Let's go to Yaganya.
Yes, sir.
Table till?
12, sir.
Okay. 12 4 ja.
48.
11 9 ja.
99.
7 9 ja.
63.
9 8 ja.
72.
12 7 ja.
84.
8 9 ja.
72.
7 7 ja.
49.
12 9 ja.
108.
Good job. Let's go to Aditi. Aditi, table till?
5.
12, sorry, 12
5.
till 5. 5 9 ja.
45.
4 9 ja.
36.
5 8 ja.
40.
4 9 ja.
46.
3 8 ja.
24.
5 8 ja.
40.
Good job. So, I think you're fine with table till 5. I would suggest by the next Saturday, try picking up one more table. Go till 6. Okay? Yeah. All right. So again, each one of you, regardless of how solid, how comfortable, how confident you are, make sure those 2-3 minutes every day, no compromise. Do tables on any day. When you don't want to do tables, just catch hold of anybody in the family and say, okay, ask me questions. And see if you're able to play with them. Yeah? Play with math. Okay, let's go to you. Table till? 10. 8 8 ja. Come here. So I can see by the 8 8 ja. 64. 4 9 ja.
36.
Okay. 5 8 ja.
What?
5 8 ja.
40.
8 5 ja.
40.
8 7 ja.
49.
8 7 ja 56. 7 7 ja 49. Okay. So again same thing. So this is your assignment. Okay. I want you to while I know that you can count till table of 10, but I would say for the next class, you here. For the next class, make sure that table till 8 comes like in less than second. So if I say 8 8 is 64, 5 9 is 45, 6 8 is 48, 7 7 is 49. It should be like, am I trying to count? No, I cannot. If I am doing so, that means I have opportunity for making it better. Yeah? Alright. So table till 8, Yug. This is for you. Okay? Table till 8 for Yug. Table till 3 for Nihit. Table till 12. Again, I'm not asking you to go further. So Jaganya, classmate, table till 12. Shalini, table till 11. Make sure that you spend 2 minutes every day. No compromise. Okay? Aditi, table till 6. Okay? Yep. Yes, Shalini.
So we got like something called reflex maths. It has like division and multiplication. I always do that at school.
Okay. So again, when you learn something in the school and if you think that you're lagging behind or there's something that is new for you, let me know. Ask your parents to send me a message one day before. Say, okay, my child wants this topic to be covered. So that apart from the flow I'm going in, I will just change and make sure that I cover the topic for you guys. Okay? Like right now we are doing geometry, but are you learning geometry in the school? Probably not. So if there's something that you're learning in the school which you're not able to follow, just let me know and then I will make sure that we cover the topic as well. Alright? So let's continue. So we were doing geometry and we were doing quadrilaterals. That is where we talked about perimeter of triangles, quadrilaterals. Yeah? Remember? Yeah? Now, so perimeter is very simple. Just add the borders and that is your perimeter. Yeah? Name? Do you need water or something? Do you need water? No, you're fine? Okay. I'll make sure that, see, this is post lunch, right? People can feel sleepy. I feel sleepy as well. That's why I keep drinking water. So that's what I'm asking you guys. If anybody feels sleepy, grab a glass of water or let me know if I can get you one. Okay? Alright. So, this is what we will learn today. We talked about perimeter of some shapes. Today, let's look at all the properties that we have learned and can we use that information for deriving perimeter for other shapes. Okay? Everybody can hear me okay, right? Okay. Now, if I say this is a square, again repeating myself, if I say perimeter, I am talking about the total boundary. Yeah? If I say this is a square and one side is 5 centimeters, can somebody tell me what will be the total perimeter of this one? Okay. Yes, Alni, tell me how much it will be?
25.
25. Okay. Yaganya, how much it will be? 20. Okay. Yes. Aditya, how much it will be? 21. Okay. So we have few options here. I got 20.
It was 20. I was getting confused. It was 20.
Okay. So I heard few options, and again, now what I'm trying to say here is there is a reason to why we were learning about the properties of the shapes. If anybody says there is a square, Nate here, you here, everybody here, you guys are busy doing something other. Keep the bag down. Don't play with the bag. It's okay. Keep the bag aside. Okay? And pay attention to what we are doing here in the class. Okay? So, when we are talking about the property of shapes, square. Square is a quadrilateral where all the sides are of same length. Yeah? And what did I give you as a question? Say, this is a square with one side as this one. Find out the perimeter. You all know perimeter means the entire boundary. So this one plus this one plus this one plus this one. Now the property helps you recall. Sandy, just put it down, Vita. Let me explain so that I don't get distracted because I'm looking at the screen also, okay? So here, when I look at the four sides, in case of a square, all the sides are same. If I am given only one side, I can simply assume, yes, if this is 5, that means other three sides will also be 5 because this is a square. So it will be 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5. Some of you might remember the formula, say, okay, perimeter of this square is 4 times the length of the side. Or you don't have to, even if you don't remember, that's okay. This length, this length, this length, this length. 5 plus 5, 10 plus 5, 15 plus 5, 20. 20 what? Centimeters. All are centimeters. Yep. Now, same thing. If I say, everybody understood, right? Everybody understood? Okay. I don't trust anybody. Remember, I do not trust anybody unless I see. Can you tell me what is the perimeter of this one? No, wait.
3 perimeters.
What is the length of the? What is the perimeter of this square?
12.
Yeah, 12 centimeters. Yes. So I was just checking whether you're paying attention or not. I'll keep doing that. Okay.
So like there comes like that 3 and a 6 and like that.
Yeah. So basically, if you know the concept, it will be easy to do. So.
I never did it. I just like it. So I that's very important.
Okay. Now, this is a rectangle. Nabula. So this is a rectangle, okay? This is, let's say, 3 centimeters. Can you tell me what will be the perimeter of this rectangle? And
What's the length?
okay, that's one question. What is the length? Yes. I am giving you 3 centimeters as the side, and tell me what is the perimeter. Salini said, what is the length? He asked me the length. Is that a valid question? Okay. Aditi, what will be the answer? I'll come to you. Yeah, Aditi, what will be the answer?
My
No idea.
is this area perimeter?
Perimeter, I'm asking. So far we have not touched area, right? So I'm not asking questions on area. I'm saying this is a rectangle with this side being 3 centimeters. Tell me what is the perimeter?
Like a perimeter is when you add things together, like the wood and the wall.
Okay. So you're also saying that just giving one side would not help. What is your answer, Yaganya?
It's a similar, so I'm just saying that like if we add the two of the sides of the length, it will be 6, but the width we don't.
Okay. You were saying something here. Yeah.
14.
No.
Huh?
I said no. Why? Because now listen to me. So again, this also relates to the concept that we have learned so far. See, now I'm going back to what I was teaching the previous classes. When I was spending or wasting so much time with you guys, saying that no, let's look at the property, there was a reason for it. If I say rectangle, simple thing that we all know is a rectangle is a quadrilateral where the opposite sides are of same length. Only the opposite sides are of same length. Okay? In rectangle, opposite sides are same length. So this side and this side are same length.
But that side, and that side.
Yeah, and this are same. Now here, this are same, this and this we can find. There is nothing written here. So that is why most of you, when you ask the question, what is the length? That was a valid question because you knew that just by knowing one side would not help you get the perimeter of a rectangle. And then I would have said, oh sorry, I forgot. This is 7 centimeters. Now can you guys find out the perimeter of this one? Yeah. Yeah, Yaganya, I'll come to you. Or Yaganya, you tell me, right now, Tasvik will do calculation.
It's 20 centimeters.
Okay. How much?
20?
20 what? 20 what? No, I'm not saying 20 is wrong answer. I mean 20 what? Centimeter. See, this is centimeter, this is centimeter. Yes, Salini, what is the answer?
14.
How much?
Plus, like, I'm telling you the process of it, like 7 plus 7 is equal to 14, and 3 plus 3 is equal to 6. 6 plus 14 is equal to 20. 20 centimeters.
20 centimeters. Yeah. So, Nate, what is the answer? So, again, see, I'll keep on repeating things so that you guys are with me already. It's a rectangle. So, this side, opposite sides will be of same length. So, this is 7, this will be 7 also. Rectangle has opposite sides of same length. This is 3, this will be 3 also. What is the perimeter? This side, this side, this side, this side. All the borders, if you add them together, that's what gives you perimeter. 7 plus 3, 10, plus 7, 17, plus 2, 20 centimeters. Now I will waste 5 more minutes with you guys, or I will rather waste 5 minutes of your time talking about centimeters. Now, look at this. If I say, I live very far from Tasvik's place, it is 22. From my place to Tasvik's place, it is 22. What 22? 22 inches, 22 centimeters, 22 millimeters,
Meters,
22 miles,
kilometers.
kilometers, yeah, could be. So, this is a very important role. There is a very important role of unit for all the measurements. In the previous classes, we have talked about measurement. Some of you have not attended that. We will come back to that again. But when you talk about anything, any measurement, right, there is a unit for it. If you talk about, let's say, milk, let's say your parents go for buying milk. How much of milk he will buy? He or she will buy. Will it be 2 meters of milk? 2 meters of milk? Then 2 gallons of milk or 2 liters of milk. Everything gets measured using a certain unit. If you are trying to measure my height, you will not say you are 5 kilograms in height. You will not say you are 5 feet 6.5 inches. Okay, I answered it. So you will say, okay, you are 5 feet and 6 inches tall. You will not say you are 5 millimeter tall. 5 millimeter is this much, like a dwarf. Yeah. So unit is very important. Let's say if I said from my place to Tasvik's place is 20. If it is 20 millimeter, then we are just living like this much apart. If I say 20 meter, it's probably a stone throw away place. If I say 20 miles, it will take 30 minutes to reach here by car. Yeah. So unit plays a very important role. Now let's say you go for buying potatoes in Walmart. Which unit you will use? Okay, I'll come to you. Let's say on the screen, Salvi, Yaganya and Aditi. If you buy potatoes, which unit you will use for weighing potatoes? Okay? Go ahead, Salvi.
Pound.
Okay. Cool. How about you, Yaganya?
It could be grams.
Grams. It could be pounds. If you go to India, you will buy in grams, kilograms. If you are buying it here, you will buy it in pounds or ounces or... Yeah. Yeah, Aditi. What will be your unit? Pound? You are talking on mute. I cannot hear you.
It's kilograms.
It will be kilograms. So there are 2 units. There are 2 different units that we have talked about in the past, and we will probably revise that in future. One is called metric system, which is something that originated from European countries, meaning when Britishes were there, right, in India, when they were ruling India and other countries, they introduced kilogram, gram, decigram, decagram, hectogram, whatnot. Likewise, for meter, for distance, they introduced meter, kilometer, decimeter, decameter, centimeter, likewise. Similarly, for weighing the volume or measuring the volume, they introduced a liter, milliliter, centiliter. Right? Similarly, there is another system that was defined here in the US, which is called US customary system. Instead of gram, you have pound. So you have pound, you have ounces, whatnot, and then you have the liquid version of it, and then you have when you are making liquids, that is where you use you use gallons. Yeah. And then for distance you use miles. So again, we are not talking about the unit and measurement system. Okay. So that anything that you measure, be it a distance, be it weight, be it height, be it length, be it volume, don't forget about the unit. If I am talking about perimeter, it's a length. It will be centimeter. Tomorrow when we will talk about area, will it be centimeter?
Yes.
Not.
Uh,
Square centimeter. When we talk about the area, let's say this is in centimeter, this length is centimeter, this is centimeter. When we find the area, there will be some value centimeter square. Okay? Alright? We will talk about that. So let's not worry about the area part right now. But what I'm saying is, any measurement that you talk about, never ignore the unit. Because a unit makes a huge difference. 1 milligram versus 1 ton, both has 1. 1 milligram is 1 granule of sugar or smaller than that, and 1 ton is a truckload of sugar. You can imagine how much the difference is. Yeah? Alright? Okay. So don't forget the unit. That's why I was saying that I'm going to waste your 5 minutes to stress on the unit part of it. Any number, any measurement we talk about, if you forget about the unit, then there's a mistake and that you would not want to make. Now let's look at this one. If I say find out the perimeter of this rectangle, this is 5 centimeter and this is 3 inches. Five centimeter, this is 3 inches. You know the opposite sides are same length. So this is 3 inches, so this will be 3 inches also. This is 5 centimeter, this will be 5 centimeter. This is fine. But what to do with centimeter inches? Can you ever add 2 bananas and 1 apple to make it 3 bananas or 3 apples? It will remain 2 bananas and 1 apple. You have to have a magic wand to convert banana to apple first, and then you can say one thing. Yeah? Either you convert the bananas to apple and then count them, or you convert apple to banana and then you count them. Okay? So what I'm saying is, here again, when you see the units, so when you are given any measurement, make sure that you look at the units. You might get tempted, okay, I know opposite sides are same, so 5 plus 5, 10, 3 plus 3, 6, 16. That's very wrong. Because these are not same units. These are the bananas and these are the apples. You cannot say 16 bananas or 16 apples. Or you cannot just say 16 also. Yeah? Am I making sense so far? Are you there with me? Is this a good information? Yeah? So this is a very good information actually, because I've seen kids somehow tending to ignore the unit and trying to do the calculation. Because we all get tempted by looking at the numbers. Numbers look very familiar. But then, if you don't take the unit into consideration, you will go wrong. Yeah? Alright. So this is the perimeter of rectangle square that we looked at. Now, I say this is equilateral triangle, okay? I am saying this is 4 centimeter. Can you find out the perimeter of this guy? Yep, Yaganya.
It's 12, sir.
12. Why?
Because 4 plus 4 plus 4 is 12.
that is, the answer is correct. But, okay, I'll probably not give the clue. Let's go to Shalini. Yes, Shalini, what will be your answer?
So my answer is 12 centimeters
Uh-huh.
because there is, in a triangle, there's 3 sides. When you multiply 4 times 3, it is equal to 12. And that 12 becomes 12 centimeters, the perimeter.
Yes, Aditi. What will be your answer for this question?
My answer is gonna be like if equilateral. So like if you add those centimeters, like if you count 5 fours like this, 4, 8, 12. So I got the answer, and
Yes.
this is a 12.
12.
That equals 12 centimeters.
12 centimeters. Okay. Here. You. What will be your answer for this question?
That would be like that was straight.
No, so I'll read the question for you. This is an equilateral triangle where one of the side is 4 centimeter. Can you tell me what is the perimeter?
That was not 4 centimeters.
Which one is not 4 centimeter?
That one. The other
This one?
Yeah.
I'm not looking at this one at all. I'm just talking about this one.
Yeah, that was 4 centimeters.
So what is the perimeter for this guy?
All of them are 4 all of them are the same.
But how do you know they are same?
So it's like this. The perimeter is 12 centimeters.
But why?
Because the triangle is equilateral.
What does it mean?
It means that all sides are the same.
Exactly. That's what I wanted to hear from each one of you. So this is how the brain works, right? My brain has zero processing power. It doesn't process by itself. It believes, it processes only what it is told to process. Like a computer does, right? Computer doesn't know anything by itself unless you tell what it has to do, right? So when I gave the question to you guys saying this is an equilateral triangle with this side as 4 centimeter, what should have clicked in your mind was, I think it clicked, but you were not able to explain that. So that's why I'm just giving you guys a path. Now try to relate with what we are doing versus what we have done in the previous classes. When I was stressing on the properties of a different shape, what did I say? Equilateral triangle is a triangle where all the sides are of same length. Equilateral triangle is a triangle where all the sides are of same length. So if I say equilateral triangle, the first thing that pops in your mind is, yeah, all the sides are same. If somebody gave you 4 centimeters, means all the sides are 4. That is how 4 plus 4 plus 4. So everybody got the right answer, no denying that. But the precursor to that, or the way you would have thought was, it's an equilateral triangle, so all sides are same. That means if this is 4, this is 4, this is 4. Adding together, they come. So this is just the story part of it, right? If you have to explain that, let's say, you guys and I talk in the previous class, okay, we know that what is equilateral triangle. Let's say when you are showing this assignment to your parents, they don't have to memorize all the formulas. They don't have to. When you are explaining them, when you are showing the assignment, you will say, okay, fine. This was a question of equilateral triangle where one side was given. And we know that equilateral triangle is a triangle where all the sides are same. That's why all the sides will be same. Now I'm just adding them together. So that makes it a perfect story. Anybody would understand that regardless of whether that person likes math or doesn't like math. Yeah? If I take you guys to a movie theater and I only show you the trailer and only show you the last scene of the movie, there's nothing that you'll understand. You need the entire story. Right? Same way. Yeah? Everybody with me? Like the movie concept? Okay. Alright. Nate, are you with me? Okay. Now, that's why I was drawing this picture here. When you guys said that this is a triangle, this side is 4 centimeters, it will be 4 times 4 times 4. 4 plus 4 plus 4. That's why I was giving you there's a clue here. This is a scalene triangle. What does a scalene triangle mean?
All the sides are different.
Yaganya, what does it mean?
None of the sides are equal.
None of the sides are equal. Yes. What does it mean, Aditi?
Like the sides are equal. One is
The-
short, one medium, one is long.
They're not equal, right? So it's yeah. So Salini, I think you will say the same thing. So I'm not giving you a chance right now. So like it's totally opposite to a equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle has all same side. This guy has none same sides. So that's why I was giving you guys a clue. That if it's an equilateral triangle, you will say 4 plus 4 plus 4. Scalene triangle, you cannot say so. You will still ask me, what is the length of the two sides? Without that, I cannot calculate. This is all I know. Yeah? Like your computer program classes, right? It gives an error. When you put the wrong website name and click enter, it says page not found. Here, if I give you a question, you will say answer not found because you are not giving the right question. Yeah? You guys are becoming computer in future. Yeah? Okay. Okay. So now one last question on perimeter. I'm saying this is isosceles triangle. What is perimeter? This is isosceles triangle. And this is 5 centimeter. This is 4 centimeter. Yeah, Yaganya, tell me.
Is this like, are you asking what's the perimeter of this?
Yeah, I'm asking perimeter.
14.
Okay. How about you, Salini? 14 what?
14 centimeters.
Centimeters. Yeah, Salini. Yeah, I'll complete.
5 is equal to 10. 10 plus 4 is equal to 14.
Okay.
So the is 14
Yeah, Diti. What is your answer?
centimeter. Okay, perimeter.
Okay. Yeah, Diti. What is your answer?
Maybe I agree with the two.
Okay. Yeah, you. What is your answer?
14 centimeters.
14 centimeters. You all agree? Nate, what is your answer? Okay. Now, you guys have to learn the art of telling story. Okay? You'll say, you said that this is isosceles triangle. So these two sides are not same. That means only this and this side are same. If it's isosceles means the two sides are same length. So if these two are not same, that means either this and this are same or this and this are same. Okay? So here we are assuming that this one and this one are same. So that means this is 5 centimeter. So this becomes 5 plus 5 plus 4 and hence 14 centimeters. Okay? So that one line of story was missing. Everybody did it right. Nobody was wrong. But you will say, since you have given these two sides and isosceles triangle, two sides have to be same. So I am assuming this and this are same. That is how the total perimeter is 14 centimeters. Everybody with me? Okay. Now let's learn one more formula that, and this one you'll have to learn. Okay? You'll have to memorize this formula till you guys grow up to 10th grade. But for now you have to memorize. Don't have to note it down. Everything is here. You can watch it. Once I upload the video, you can watch it. What does it look like? Circle. Everybody believes it's circle?
Yes.
Okay. Neil, it is a circle? Okay. Jaganya, everybody, Aditi, Shalini, yeah? Alright. So here, if I ask you guys, what is the perimeter? So you would know, okay, fine, from here till here. But how much it is? There is no side that I can add. How will you find? Don't look at that. Tell me if you remember.
Formula is 2 times y times radius.
Okay. Yes, Almi.
0 centimeters.
What is that?
0.
No, it looks like 0, but it will not be 0. See, 0 will be like this. If I tell you to give me the perimeter of this guy, then you will probably say 0. It looks pretty close to 0. This is certainly not 0. See, if I just measure with my fingers also, it will look like 0. Yeah? So, there is a formula for this. It says 2 times pi times r. Now you would want to say what is pi, what is r. So let's go back to the property of circle and then we come back to it. If you look at a circle, what is the property of circle? It says there is something called center. Yeah? Something called center. What is center? It is the point which is at the same distance from all the places on the body. So here to here is the same, here to here is same, here to here is same, here to here also 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 same. Yeah? So this is the property of circle. Says circle is this round thing which has a center. What is the property of center? Center is at the same distance from every point on the body. Every point on the body. Or the circumference, whatever you call it. Okay? And this distance here to here, it is all same. This is called radius. Now, what is the radius? Let me do some fun thing for you guys. Let's say, give me 2 seconds. I wanted to rotate something, not finding something that I can rotate. Yeah. I was trying to rotate something, okay? Okay, let me rotate this. Okay? I was trying to find a string that I can rotate. Look at this one, okay? When I am rotating this, if I rotate this very fast, what exactly it is making? It's making like a circle, right?
Yeah.
And what do you see? This is the length. This is the radius. It's a radius. No, don't look at this as a square. I'm saying, look at this as a string which I'm rotating, which is making a circle. Okay? So, if you look at this as a string, yeah? Yeah. Like Aditi has the pen, right? That if you can rotate it like this, it's difficult to rotate, but yeah, if you are able to rotate it like this, this is what is rotating against a point which is center. So that is why this is called radius. This is the same distance because this guy is rotating against a certain fixed point. Okay, so this is rotating against a fixed point. So this length is not changing. The length of the pen is not changing. Correct? This is what is called radius. You are getting about something to rotate. Yes. Okay. Alright. So what I'm saying is, it's like, imagine this being a string and you have a stone here and you rotate this. Or if you look at the fan, the center, right? When the fan rotates, you will see the blades are of fixed length. Blades length is not changing. It's just that it rotates against a fixed point, center. So the length of the blade in the fan is your radius. That's a radius. Okay. So conceptually, if you want to relate, you will always say that a radius is a point in the circle which is at the same distance from each and every point on the border of the circle or the circumference of the circle. See how fun it is, how much fun math is, right? You guys are playing with that, and you can relate. See this is exactly what. So if you rotate it vertically, right, where we can see it like a circle, yeah. So the length of the string is nothing but your radius, because the length of the string is fixed, and that is what is rotating all around, right? Like in the case of a fan, the length of the blade is your radius. That is what is rotating, right? This is called radius. Yep. Yeah. So here, now come back. Okay, it's okay. We have 5 more minutes. We'll try to. So when I said what is the perimeter of a circle, you have to remember this formula. It's called perimeter of a circle is 2 times pi times r. R is nothing but the length of the radius. So this length that you are seeing, the length of the string that you are rotating it with, that is the radius. So 2 times radius times pi. What is a pi? Many of the ancient mathematicians found this number. It's called a constant. The value of pi is 22/7. Yeah. Yeah, sure. You don't have to even ask for that. You just pick the bottle and just drink. Okay? When you guys grow up, when we learn even deeper concepts of math, that is when I will show you guys how this perimeter is 2 times pi times r. Our only objective is to find out the length of the entire string from here to here. But how much that is? That is 2 pi r, where pi is, the value of pi is 22/7 and r is nothing but the radius. So let's say if I give you a circle with radius as 3 centimeters and ask you to find out the perimeter, you will say 2 times pi is this times r. R is 3 centimeters. So you do all the calculation and say, okay, fine. 22 times 2 is 44, times 3 is 132 divided by 7. 132 divided by 7, that will be your answer. That many centimeters. Yes, somebody has a question.
First, suddenly it tapped on my hand.
Okay, that's fine. So, perimeter of a circle is 2 times pi times r, where 2 is a number, pi is also a number. It's a constant defined by some old mathematicians, somebody older than me. Okay. So 2 times pi times r. R is nothing but your radius. So when I give you a question, you have to find out the perimeter of the circle where the radius is 8 inches. Can you guys solve it? I am saying find out the perimeter of the circle where the radius is 8 inches. Hey Siddharth. Oh, sorry. Yep. Siddharth, you are 5 minutes early in the class. So once I finish this class with the junior kids, then we will start your class. No. Yep. So guys, solve this problem. I have given you the radius as 8 inches. Find out the perimeter of the circle. Yeah. Not for the level 2 kids. It's only for Salini, Aditi, and Jaganya, and kids here. Yes, sir. How are you? Yeah, this is the garage. So this is where we go to the classes. Right at summer, so we have made some arrangements here. So everything that you do here, it gets recorded on the iPad and that you know, kind of the YouTube production center. Go on, have a chair, sit down. Once these kids are done, they just 5 minutes. But you are which grade? We are there. Come, okay. Yeah. Alright. Because I am kind of getting old. So I keep on forgetting things, but yeah, they want to make sure that I'm not putting in the wrong class. Is it okay? So your final study, let them finish, they will head out and then we will start their class. And you can see how the class goes. If you want to observe today's class, you are more than welcome to be here. Sure. Yeah. All right. Anybody able to solve the problem? So I'm only asking the younger ones to find out the perimeter of the class, perimeter of the circle, where the radius is 8 inches. Two pi r is the formula that I told you guys. I would want you. Are you done? No? Nihit, are you trying? What is that? Okay. Are you trying? Nihit? Where? No, so see, let me tell you one thing. Trying is something which is difficult, but trying is the only option. You can go wrong, be wrong, get wrong 5 times, that's fine. But not trying will not get you anywhere. Okay? Yeah? Okay. Alright. So, I think you guys are almost there with respect to time for the class. So, okay. So, you remember this formula 2 pi r. I'll upload this video maybe in 2-3 hours from now.
Which shadow is it?
Your daddy knows. Mommy also does. Okay? So this video I'm not uploading for becoming a YouTuber. I have no plan to become a YouTuber. This is only for you guys. If you don't watch the videos, I'll stop uploading the video. Okay? Yeah? Alright. So everybody try solving it today or tomorrow I'll explain it again to you guys. Because I know we just learned the concepts, we just learned what is the meaning of radius and how does it relate to the center and what is the significance of this one. But I'll give you guys a day's time. Tomorrow we'll come to this and we'll solve few problems with the perimeter of a circle and then we'll take it from there. Yeah? Alright. So Salni, Yaganya, Aditi, you guys can drop off. And we will come back to this perimeter of circle tomorrow again for you guys to see if there is any doubt, and we'll do a few more sums to practice so that we are confident. Alright? Enjoy the rest of your evening. Talk to you guys tomorrow. Yeah?
Yes, sir.
Alright, bye bye.